Okay, Janet collection, you came through. There's hairline, there's texture, I'm telling y'all. No adhesive whatsoever. It is sitting the way that it's supposed to be sitting.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right with the hell did you expect. Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Sitting with the enemy, but I can be mistaken. I'm living in a dream. This world is mine for taking. You feel my energy. Ain't got no time for wasting. I know they into me. Ain't got no time for waiting. I've been creating my fate and they finna find out. They can't relate and debate because they're behind now. I feel the weight of the hate and they finna lie down. I carry pain on my shoulders and in my eyes now. Find out how it feels just living with the lights out. My doubt how it feels just sitting when the fight's out. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. Even though my time is borrowed, I'm hoping I see tomorrow. Got no pride or breath to swallow or wallow inside the sorrow. Days turn to nights and when the lights get low, pray that I just might ignite the life in this enclosure, weighing me down.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with an older unit. This one is from the Janet Melt collection. I'm wearing it in the style Kendall and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs on the front, your 1 comb on the back, and your adjustable straps. Now this one does actually come with an adjustable elastic band, which is pretty amazing because the adjustable elastic band on this is kind of giving bra strap vibes. As far as there's about 3 clips where you can adjust it to fit your heads. Like the fact that they have that adjustable band in there definitely does give this a glueless type of vibe. I didn't go in with any adhesive, and as y'all can see, it is sitting the way that it's supposed to be sitting. No adhesive whatsoever, so this definitely can be worn as glueless, which I am always here for. Now the cap construction on this, as far as the lace, you do get your 13x6 parting space. It is HD lace. It does come with baby hairs. It is pre-plucked. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. So honey, as y'all could see, barely put any concealer, and I also didn't need to put the even lace tint spray like I normally do, so that was pretty great. Now the length of the hair, it's pretty long, y'all. I'm 5'3" for reference, and this one does come below my boobs. The texture on this one is definitely great. Janet Collection always comes through with giving us hair textures that are more similar to our own styles. This one is definitely giving super yucky vibes, which I am here for. I did get some shedding with this one, not really any tangling at all whatsoever. The shedding on this one definitely wasn't anything too crazy, but I do definitely appreciate the fact that they did go in and go with the yucky texture for this one, which I am always here for. As y'all can see, this is all the hair to the front. It's definitely not a crazy amount of hair. It's perfect. It's right in the middle. It's like 150% density, but y'all, it is hot. I'm sweating under here. It's not heavy on my head or nothing, but this is definitely going to be a hot one, if you get what I'm saying. This one is also heat safe up to 360 degrees. So if you want to add heat, you can definitely go in and add heat to this one. But what I like is I was able to make this lay the way that I wanted to without even needing to add heat, honey, as I always do. I just went in with my She Is Bomb hair wax stick to just slick it down the way that I wanted to. And I didn't need to add any heat to get it to lay the way that I wanted to, so I definitely am here for that. So I want to say the cap size on this one is definitely small and medium and possibly big head friendly. The cap definitely does have some stretch, and like I said, with that wonderful adjustable elastic band that they have in there, if your head is on the smaller size or small to medium size like mine is, you can go in and adjust. I think this one definitely does have some stretch because I have it adjusted to the tightest adjustable strap setting, and it's fitting my head perfect the way that I want it to. It's fitting glueless. No, I'm not wearing no adhesive whatsoever, and it's fitting my head the way that I want it to, and it's not constricting. So I do think if you have a larger size head, this is definitely one you could possibly get away with wearing. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. I mean, aside from the little shedding that I was getting, I really can't say that I have any cons when it comes to this unit. I feel like my pros on it are definitely going to be, I think the construction of this unit was well done. The hairline is very nice. The baby hairs are great. The hair quality seems very nice. I love the fact that it's yaki, the fact that you get that 13x6 parting space, so it's super versatile. The fact that it was laying the way that I wanted it to lay without needing any heat, just using my wax stick like I said. The length, it is on the longer side. I just think as a whole, honestly, this unit is definitely hitting in all the places that it should be hitting. This is a throw on and go, and I absolutely do think this is one that you should add into your collection because you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with a melted hairline any. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.